What's up, everybody? It's Andrew here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina again. Today we got a real classic for you. 1956 Cadillac Series 62 two-door hardtop coupe. Beautiful blue and white color combination here. This is a blue and white interior. I believe it's leather, maybe vinyl, but with a cloth insert. Clean interior. You know, it's vintage, it's older, it's not brand new, but it's clean. The flipper here on the door sometimes doesn't click back in. I think I need some adjustment on the vent window there. Man, beautiful color combination. V8 automatic, newer aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes. It is an AC car, but the AC compressor is missing. Look at that bumper and them, I don't want to call them titties in the front, but that's what they are. Wide white wall tires, got the fender skirts in the back. Would look awesome laid down on the ground, I think. Anyways, we got this 1956 Cadillac here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. If you're interested in it, give us a call or send us a message. We'll be glad to help you out. We do have financing available and can set up the shipping straight to your front door. 1956 Cadillac available here at Rumley Motors.